Good morning, guys. I thought I'd do a little vlog because I feel like I haven't done one for ages. So I thought I would just, we're gonna have a little vlog this week. It's Wednesday. It's the end of August. I'm not sure of the date, and my calendar has been put somewhere else. And I don't know where I've put my phone. So it's Wednesday. I want to say it's like the 23rd of August, maybe. Probably the 23rd, 22nd, something like that. Yeah, it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. Me and the kids aren't really going to do much today. We're going to have a little bit of a tidy up. We might do a little bit of packing. We might be going to the new house to check out a couple of bits. And yeah, I thought I would just bring you guys along because I miss vlogging. Mika's about to tip out all the Duplo and make a mess. What are you doing, little fish? What are you doing? Ari? Yes, we might be going to the new house at some point today, hopefully, to check something out. Tomorrow I might be taking the girls to, well, I think I am taking the girls to Chroma Museum because they're having like a mini beasts day with like bugs and reptiles and stuff. So I think we're going to go over there for that and have a little look around. Yeah, I just thought I'd bring you with me. So let me know how your week's going. What are your plans? What are your plans for the bank holiday weekend? I think we're going to go to the zoo. I'm not sure what one yet. But we're going to go to the zoo this weekend with Ben's parents. Potentially more packing if we ever find out what date we're actually moving, because at the minute there's like boxes over there, the cabin's full of boxes, the garage is full of boxes. Everything's gone off the walls, like all the stuff's gone off the walls and everywhere. I'm starting to paint. I need to go around this room and just paint like all the little bits where we had plates and stuff up. I need to go and paint all them, like little bits like this, because I've got this paint. The kids' bedroom is bare, so I've started painting this, like cutting in, because they just like, you can see they drew all over the walls, so we said that we would paint this room white. So I've started doing some cutting in. Yeah, so that's the plan. Let's get on it. I need to make myself look less crazy, make my bed, and we'll do some stuff. Who's this? Who's this? Oh, who's that Bob? Who's that Bob? Oh, he's a good boy. Oh, have you got a new bed? Have you got a new bed? Bob's got a new bed. We found an old sheet and then a pillow. So he's got that on top of his bed and he loves it. He's been snuggling in it. Oh, he's a good boy. He's much better. He had the kennel cough vaccine a couple of weeks ago. He because he's going, when we go on holiday, he's obviously going to go into kennels. So he has to have his annual vaccinations, which he has every year, which were fine. But then they also mentioned the kennel cough vaccine, and we thought, well, we'll get it for him because he's 9 and we don't want him. He's had kennel cough before and it was horrible. So they did it and they spray it up his nose, and he was out of sorts for like 8 days probably. He didn't want to eat. He didn't want to do anything. Excuse me. Come here. Come here. sit down. Oh, he's a good boy. Yeah, he didn't want to do anything, but he's much happier now. Where's your belly? Where's your belly? Can I see it? Can I see your belly? Oh, he's my good boy. Give me that belly. Give me that belly. Give me that belly. Oh, he bites. Now he's much better. He wouldn't even like play or anything when he was poorly. But I spoke to the vets and they said it was quite normal for them to feel a bit rubbish after the vaccine. So you'll be happy to know that Mr. Bob is all happy again. He's happy back on his walks. Did you see a squirrel? Did you see a squirrel in the woods? Oh, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. You a good boy. You good boy. You good boy. You. This is. Oh, we're gonna get him. He's so soppy. Like, he's like, not even. As soon as his teeth touch me, he just stops. He's so affectionate and he's just so gentle. Good boy. Lots of people ask for him to be in the vlogs more, so here is a little section just about Mr. Weenie. Just about Mr. Weenie. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. His tail is like going insane. He's got his crazy eyes on. We should just start a channel just for Mr. Bob. What do you think? You want your own channel? You want your own channel? Ooh. Bob, can you sit? Sit. Sit. Can I have a paw? Paw? Oh, he's so clever. Oh, no, he just wants to play by it now. Oh, Bob. What's that? You go get him. Go get them pigeons. Go get them. Go get them. What can you hear? Do you want a gravy bone? You want a gravy bone? Sit. Got it here. Give me a paw. Give me your other paw. Give me a high five. Oh, he's a good boy. Right, this is like 4 minutes of the dog, so I'm going. Doing? Where's Aria? Oh, there she is. Okay. So we've just been we went to B&Q and Wickes. Went to Wickes first, but they didn't have what I needed. I wanted a 1-coat paint for this room, and then we went to B&Q and we found one. So I've done a little test a bit here, and it has gone on just 1 coat. And then down here over some of the scribbles, and it looks fine. So now I'm in the process of emptying the girls' bedroom so I can paint it and get it done today. I have told them they're having a sleepover in our room tonight, so I put up there, I pushed my bed against the wall just to make some space for furniture, and I've blown up their ready beds. These are amazing. I got them from Argos. They're like in little inflatable beds. Mika's is a Paw Patrol and Ari's is a Pepper. So they've been putting their teddies on. So they're sleeping in here tonight. so that the room can like air properly. And then me and Ben, state of the house, will sleep on this because this pulls out to be a super king bed. It does, so we'll sleep on there. But for now, I'm just in the process of like just emptying it. I'm not sure if I'm going to move this entirely or if I'm just going to pull it away from the wall, paint behind and put it back because it's so heavy. But I'm going to move Aria's bed into our bedroom and the bookcase into our bedroom and then push Mika's into the middle of the room, I think. That's my plan. I'll show you as I'm done, but it is boiling. I don't know why I've decided to do this on like the hottest day. It's like 28 degrees or something today. But it needs doing, so we're on it. Okay. What? Have you pooped? No. Have you just trumped? Okay. So, I don't know what the time is. It's 3 o'clock. I can't remember when I started. I'll have to look at this footage. But the girls' room is all painted. All done. All behind here is done. All there is done. It's just this little bit you can see just here. So I've got to do, I am covered in paint. I managed to lean against the wall. But yeah, it's nearly done. I'm super excited because it is hot. I've got paint in my eye. It is hot as balls and I'm so sweaty. So just dropped my camera, just checking it still works. We're okay. It's done. The room is done. All I need to do is a tiny bit just here, which is where I did that grey that I thought was the right colour beforehand. Like, that's the only bit that needs another coat. Everything else is fine. Like, you can't see any of the drawings. Like, that was all drawings. This was just completely covered in crayon. So yeah, just need to clean the door now. And then this room is ready for me move. All I need to do is just give the windowsills a wipe and the shelves another wipe, but it's ready. So hurry up moving day because I want to be in the new house so much. I'm fed up of boxes and just living in a bit of a limbo. Yeah, so that was our day. Sorry it wasn't very exciting. I'm going to leave you with a little bit of footage of when I sorted out my makeup area. Me and the kids did a bit of a speed clean, so I'm going to show you that. But yeah, there's going to be more vlogs and hopefully they'll be in the new house soon. See you later. Bye guys. Good morning guys, it's Monday, it's 20th of August. I'm having a bit of a sort out in my makeup room. I have started and I just moved these out of the way, but then I thought no, I would stop and show you guys. I'm just going to have a little bit of a rejig, move everything around, give everything a nice big clean. Hello, can I help you? Yeah. Can I help you? Yeah. What do you need me to help you do? Help you write your names, okay. So yeah, I'm gonna just turn the light on so we can actually see what we're doing. Yeah, so I'm gonna just have a really nice big clear out, move all of this because this hasn't been moved for over a year now. I think I'm gonna pull it all out, clean behind it, and have a sort out of stuff. That's what we're doing today. So yeah, I'll show you when it's, or what we're doing and what's going on. cause little nicks. Me and the kids me and Mika having a bit of a dance. Okay, so I've had a little bit of a change round. Mostly just moved this from there. My thingy was under the window. You don't open this window, and we're only going to be here for a little while longer. But I just wanted to have a bit of a clean and a rearrange. And I was struggling because when I make my cards, although my desk is quite big, it's not really big enough, and I thought this would help me out when making the cards to have a little bit of extra space. Are we having a dance?
Yes.
What are we dancing to?
Little Mix.
Little Mix. So we're going to carry on. Okay, so I think we're done. I've just moved everything. I've had a bit of a clear out. All I need to do now is wipe my desk down. I've got a couple more bits that I can pack away that we don't need at the moment. I've got a couple of empty makeup. Get off that little fish. I'm trying to roll a tape measure up and she's pulling the other end. Couple of like acrylic storage things that I haven't got anything in at the moment. But I've managed to free up loads of space on my shelving unit, which I don't really know how I've done because I haven't taken anything away other than one acrylic thing. So that's always good when you make up some space. So I'll show you quickly. I haven't finished tidying it yet. Got my unit here now. I've got cactuses and card stuff on the top. Makeup brushes. Let me just try and see if I can turn a light round here. Makeup brushes, teeth whitening. Yeah, I know. We'll have to put it in your box.
It's Tinkerbell.
And then all these are free. And then my desk just needs a clean. And then this is now for cards. Nothing's changed inside the drawers. These are all just still what was already in them. This is cards. This is skincare. More cards and then makeup behind me. So, yeah. I'm happy with it. For now. It'll do for now. Obviously... it's obviously going to change when we move, but for now I just wanted to have a bit of a clear out and a clean to make sure everything was tidy behind it. So yeah, and for kids screaming in the background because real life, I can't stop them. I'm not going to make them be quiet while I film because I really can't bother to argue with them. I'd rather they just had fun, and some of my videos had kids in the background. So yeah, I'm going to go and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.